Hey, I'm David. I live in Yellowknife in Arctic Canada, and my day job's a pilot. I like having fun outside and hanging out with my buddies. On May 9th, 2020, I bought an ambulance. The engine was in pretty rough shape and none of the electronics worked, but I fixed the lights and a buddy from work pointed me towards a donor engine. I decided to rebuild it and just swap it out. Hopefully we get it done before winter. I'll be starting a new video series documenting my rebuilding process and some of the adventures I have with it once the ambulance is completed. You can follow me on Instagram at ArcticAmbo, and I'll be posting periodic video updates as I complete them. If you have any comments, questions, or tips on the video series or the rebuild, I'd love to hear them. Otherwise, I hope to see you again soon.